Hi, today we're going to show you how easy it is to install one of our Pinegrow Block Kit plugins. After you've downloaded your Pinegrow plugin, open the zip file and extract the folder somewhere on your machine. I recommend unzipping to the Frameworks folder of your Pinegrow install, where all the add-ons bundled with Pinegrow are located, but you can unzip anywhere you want. If this is your first time installing a Pinegrow plugin, I recommend you just unzip the download to a folder on your desktop for a test run install. I also recommend creating an empty folder on your desktop, which will be used to save your project to. Call it anything you wish. For the purpose of this demonstration, I have prepared one called My Plugin Test. Okay, let's begin. Open Pinegrow. From the Pinegrow home screen, click Open a new page or project. In this example, we will select a new Bootstrap 4 index page. All of our premium plugins currently use Bootstrap 4, but some of our older ones use Bootstrap 3. Just to be sure to select the correct framework, which will be outlined on the plugin download page. Once the page is open, the next step is to save it. You must always save the page before you can add the plugin to the project. You should always have a folder ready to save to. From the Pinegrow menu, click File. From the drop-down, click Save, or use the keyboard shortcut Shift+S. Save to the folder you created. You can click Yes to open as a project when prompted. Now it's time to load the plugin from the first JavaScript file inside the folder of the plugin you downloaded. It will be called something like pg.plugin-name.js. From the Pinegrow menu, click File, and from the drop-down, choose Manage Libraries and Plugins. Click Load Plugin. Locate the file of the plugin you downloaded. Open the plugin.js file. Click Add and activate the plugin. A pop-up will appear prompting you to add the resources to the page or project. Click Add. Once the click Add. Once the resources have added, all the goodies will appear in the list panel on the left in Pinegrow. Some plugins, such as Pinegrow Restaurant and Pinegrow Construction, might need additional frameworks added, such as Font Awesome icons. This will also be listed on the plugin install page. Most Block Kit plugins need the Font Awesome icon library loaded, and all our content Block Kit plugins use Font Awesome 4. We will add support for Font Awesome 5 soon, so just be sure to double-check what version is currently being used. Add these by clicking File, Manage Libraries, and Plugins. Activate Font Awesome and add the resources and save. You should activate and add the plugin resources to any additional pages you create. Congratulations! You just installed a Pinegrow plugin. Well done! If you still can't seem to get it right, try the interactive guide below, which you can follow along too. If all else fails and you are a premium version user, just open a support ticket with us and we can schedule a one-on-one walkthrough via Skype or some other screen sharing software.